How many of you have had a pre-authorization issue in your family? Show of hands. It's about reflective of the national average. 85% of Americans say they've had pre-auth affect them in ways they wish it hadn't. It's the number one complaint, not only from patients, but providers, doctors like myself, are continually struggling with this issue. We have spoken frequently about how Health and Human Services and the agency in charge of Medicare, Medicaid, and the insurance plan, CMS, is open for business. We like to have private solutions when they're feasible, and today you're going to hear about one of the biggest ones possible, one that will address this issue of prior authorization. In 2023, the last data year for which we have strong data, the Medicare Advantage program, which administers care to total Medicare is about 68 million people. Half of that is Medicare Advantage. So it's 32 million people, a lot of folks. Partially or fully denied 3.2 million claims, initial requests for prior authorization. It's a lot of people, not just numbers. Those are individuals who often in the most vulnerable time in their lives needed something done, and it was denied for one reason or another. Each week, on average, a physician handles about 40 of these pre-authorization issues and requests, and spends about 12 hours a week on paperwork in general, often aimed at addressing the prior authorization issue. It frustrates doctors. It sometimes results in care that is significantly delayed. It erodes public trust in the healthcare system. It's something that we can't tolerate. This administration, and under the leadership of Secretary Kennedy, this agency has not wanted and has been expressing its frustration. And for good reason, because of that, and because of folks who actually maybe entered into the industry because they had the right motivations at heart, we have just concluded a roundtable, one of the most impressive that I've been involved in, with the CEOs who represent about 75% of all covered lives in America. These folks represent the insurance companies that cover 3/4 of the American people, and it covers them across Medicare Advantage, across Medicaid, across commercial insurance, about 260 million people in general, in total, covered by these plans. And there were more people being added while we were in the meeting. That's how much interest there is from industry in dealing with the problem that they don't like to have in their bailiwick either.